What's up, YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to a new video. As you guys can see in the title, I'm going to go over basically the whole procedure on how I got banned from buying and selling on Mercari. For those who don't know, I do buy and resell smartphones. Been doing this since 2011, mainly on eBay and in my local platforms. But decided to give Mercari a try last year. And it was working out, pretty good for me. I was buying a lot of phones on Mercari to flip, selling quite a few phones on Mercari. Everything was going well. I basically received a verification email about a month ago from Mercari. They basically wanting to see if I was a real account. And I went through the process, verified my ID, gave them some documents that they needed, and they reinstated my account. My account was temporarily suspended at that time, and it only took about 2 or 3 days to get that account back. So I was not really, scared as far as them banning my account. I figured, that's just the procedures that they do, and I went through with it. So got the account reinstated. Didn't do too much selling. Did a lot of buying on there. I actually had a phone for sale that I sold. I sold the phone, and I canceled the listing. Now I canceled the listing because the buyer he seemed pretty sketchy to me. He was a new buyer. He just created the account. He wanted, he was asking certain questions, and I just didn't have a good feeling about it. So I canceled it. And right after I canceled, I got an email, maybe same day, but about 4 or 5 hours after, them wanting to verify my account again. And I'm thinking, okay, maybe this is because I canceled. I don't normally cancel. I probably cancel one buy or one sale before that. So, and that was when I first started selling on Mercari. So, my account's not known to cancel. I just usually just ship it off same day and get it there. So canceled again, and I got that verification email again. Now I verified everything, and I guess that just wasn't enough for Mercari. So they sent me an email through the app, and I'm gonna show you guys the email through my actual email because I can't get on my account anymore because it's blocked. But anyway. Basically, they wanted me to verify my account. Now, I did that with ID again and all that. I guess that just wasn't enough for them. So they were wanting me to verify where I was getting my phones to resell. Now, I know some of you guys have dealt with this with eBay. I haven't. I've never dealt with them wanting me to verify where I buy my items. So this was kind of new to me. So, for most people on eBay, they usually just send out an invoice or a couple invoices of where they usually get their products. And that's, for the most part, usually enough. But I basically explained to them what I do. I do have some invoices. I did have invoices actually at the time. I have bill of sales, all that needed so I can ensure that the phones are not stolen. The phones that I'm getting are not stolen. I guess that was the wrong answer to give them. So I'll tell you guys why. Because apparently, Mercari does not support businesses or anybody who wants to resell on their platform. I just found this out. I didn't even know that because for me, just looking on Mercari through different items and things that I want to buy, I see a lot of resellers. I see a lot of people, 500 plus feedback, over 100 listings. You can tell they're resellers. They're selling the same product. So for me, I didn't think of this platform not wanting to deal with businesses or resellers. So that was new to me. But basically, if you guys see this email, I completed the process of the verification. So that's why they said that. And then they want me to show proof. Now, again, guys, I basically told them what I do. I buy and sell, buy in my area, to resell on Mercari's platform. Now, they've mentioned the terms of service that I'm going to show you guys right now. And in this first line, so be aware of this, guys. This first line, it says the service is an online consumer to consumer marketplace, right? We do not offer business accounts. Okay. So they were flagging my account as a business account, because because of the way I got my inventory, buying inventory for lower than market value to resell for market value on the platform. Now, I had about 106 reviews on Mercari. I think I had about 55 or 60 sales, actual sales. The rest were buys. So half and half, I was doing both. So you guys can see that. But I literally was, doing what everybody else was doing. Nothing crazy. Didn't do anything out of the ordinary. I know that it did happen after I canceled a sale that I had due to the buyer being kind of sketchy, and I just had a feeling this person was a new account trying to maybe get a return and send something back that wasn't the phone. So I just from experience and talking to people, I know what to pick up on for that. So if you guys are selling on Mercari, I just want to give you guys this video, let you guys know that they told me that they are cracking down on resellers on Mercari. So the platform itself was to be a consumer to consumer, meaning you were basically supposed to sell household items, things that you didn't need, that were already around in your house to sell on Mercari. That's their main goal, apparently. And for me, my opinion, that's kind of stupid because, like I said, 95% of people on Mercari are resellers. Like, it is what it is. They know that, especially you could tell around Christmas time where people are selling the same item. They have 20 of the same items. That Mercari knows that those aren't household items. Those are not household items that they're selling. They're not going to find 20 of those, what are those things what are people selling? Those little kid action figure dolls that were pretty popular a couple years back. If somebody has 20 of those, then Mercari knows that who's going to be keeping 20 of those items in their house. Who's going to have over 1,000 reviews, selling reviews, in their house, and their account's only been open for a year. So Mercari knows and understands that their platform has a lot of resellers on there. But apparently, this is what they told me. Now they're cracking down on it, which was, in my opinion, kind of weird because my account is nowhere near as good as some of the other accounts. I've seen some resellers on there who have over 1,000 reviews, who have over 500 listings right now. So it was kind of confusing for me to get that email from them wanting me to verify because I'm a small fry on Mercari. I'm somebody who just sell. I literally maybe sell two phones a week at most since I started on Mercari. So it wasn't like I was pushing all my phones on there. I wasn't, scamming, wasn't getting a lot of requests. Nothing that I did, in my opinion, to get their attention. I mean, like I said, I canceled one of my sales, but I've done that before, verify, and it was fine. So I understand the verification process after it canceled because so many people cancel on Mercari that it gets to a point where they need to verify. But also, I've seen accounts where was going to buy a phone from somebody, and this person had 10 reviews, and it says in red at the bottom 8 cancellations. So it says that they canceled 8 times. Now this account that I'm seeing is still on Mercari selling, but my 2 cancellations on Mercari gets me a verification that then leads to, hey, where are you getting your phones from? So basically at this point, I just can't sell on Mercari right now. But for me, I got ways, man. I can get by that. It's no big deal for me. Just the fact that my account that I had up and was doing well on it is gone. So a lot of people that follow me on Mercari, a lot of you guys who watch my videos, I've gotten tons of messages from you guys saying, "Hey, is this Smoove Flipper?" And it's kind of cool to see that. I'm following you guys. You guys are following me on what I post on Mercari. I bought a lot of phones from some of you guys who are watching me now through Mercari. But as of now, I'm holding off on it. again, there's always a way, man. There's always a way to get past things. Just got to be smart about it. And I'm gonna get an account up and running on Mercari, but just wanted to give you guys the insight and let you guys know that it could happen to anybody. Yeah, whether you're a small fry on the platform or somebody who has 1,000 reviews, it happens. Just wanted to give you guys that. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on Mercari itself and what I'm doing to get an account up and running. I already have an idea. I've talked to plenty of people who have multiple Mercari accounts, so I'm not gonna let that stop me from buying and selling on the platform. Just got to be smart about it, and we'll go from there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm going to keep you guys updated on this situation and my new account. Again, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.